You see that? See all that fish right there. See, right now we're right here. Honey, bring the drill. I'm just gonna check and see if there's any fish. The ice is pretty thick. I don't have a measure, but I'm just gonna use this. Whoa! Right about right there. Yeah, there's plenty of ice. So there's a bunch coming down on the left. Come on. So as you guys know, Tullibee move around a lot. Okay, looks like one guy's coming up. One guy's coming. One guy's coming. Oh, there's two that's coming. Alright. Oh, he just walked. Oh, he just moved right past. He don't care. Alright, there's a big one coming. Let's see if that guy's gonna take it. Oh, he's coming to it. He's coming to me. Alright, finally. Alright, one. He's coming up slowly. Oh, I think he's gonna get the other one too. This one, that one, that one. Oh, look at that. That's a big Tullibee. Big Tullibee.
Don't throw it by me. Thank you.
I think this one's gonna bite too. There we go. Double action. That's Tullibee. Okay, this guy's coming to me. Let's see if he's gonna take it. Come on. Got it. There we go. He took it. All right. Come on. We're not gonna lose this one. We're gonna take our time. Oh. Ice is cracking underneath us. Like crazy. Oh. It's fighting hard. Let it be a big crappie. Nope. It's a Tullibee.
That's a big one.
Big, nice Tullibee. They're a little smaller than my legs, for sure. They're smaller fish, smaller than my legs. Oh my god! Is there a car coming? Oh, there's a car coming. That's why it's cracking crazy. So usually when we come in the morning. So I thought that, hey, let's go try it in the afternoon, see if there's any difference. It's actually not bad. They seem to be a little bit more aggressive. Last time we came in the morning, they're around, but they're just not biting at all. So we got here like almost noon. Right now it's almost 2:30, and they're coming and they're biting, so that's a good thing. I usually just let it sit. like this. I don't know, people are talking about Tullibee as a lot of parasite. Someone comment that the other day. So comment down below, what do you guys think? I don't know, I've never seen it before. I ate it before. Usually we just fry it. We fillet it before, but I don't ever notice anything. But yeah, comment below. Let me know, let us know if you guys see any kind of parasite. These look like they're pretty young. They're like smaller, younger fish. They're not as big as the one Mille Lacs, but I don't know if that makes any difference. So yeah, comment below. See what you guys think about parasite on Tullibee. Never seen it before. I see it in crappie though. But nobody say anything about crappie. I see it in crappie. I clean crappie. I see in crappie worms, like tapeworms in crappie. There's a bunch of them coming. Look at all that fish. Coming. Come on. Got one. There we go. Alright, so here's our setup. Got some good size Tullibee. Alright, we're heading out. Got a couple nice fish. It was fun though. We have a good time. And then we got some good looking fish right here. Smaller than usual, much smaller than Mille Lacs for sure, but it's still Tullibee. Got a bonus, lucky crappie.